Hello, I am Tyler Adams, and this is the code demonstration for the Java card game program. We're going to start off with the suit class, which all it mainly does is define a suit as an integer switched into a string. That's what we'll be using for our suits. The rank class does the same thing, except with more numbers, so that it can return ranks from empty to ace. Empty is just used as an error handler, really. A card is defined as a rank and a suit, and has some various functions. The converter class takes cards and converts them into a format that the game can use better. A deck is simply an array list of cards that has some functions associated with it that allow it to ensure every card is in the deck. A hand is another array list of cards with some different functions, as you need them to do stats as well as for a player to have a hand of cards. The player class is actually quite simple. It only defines the name, score, hand, bid, tricks, and the played card. The game class has most of the primary logic of the game. It deals the cards, it displays the players, sorts, plays cards, tricks. It handles the primary logic. And the tester class just launches the game itself, so we are going to actually launch the game here, and I will full screen this. We'll just put in 2 players. So we'll put in myself, and we'll put in Dean. The trump for the hand is the Queen of Hearts. I've got a suggested bid of 2, which is what I'll do. You don't have to, but Dean's got a suggested bid of 0. I think one of us is not going to be making our bid here. Our goal is to only win our amount of bid hands. It's a variation of other card games. So I can't play the trump of the hand, but I can play the 10 of diamonds. So that's going to be card 5. And Dean really doesn't want to win anything, so he's going to do his best to not beat my 10 of diamonds. Winning card is the 10 of diamonds, so I got my first bid. From here on, I'm just going to be playing cards down, just to get down to the end of the round. And I don't think either of us is going to be making the bid we want now, so you can see that I bid 2, but I got 5. Dean bid 0, but he got 2, so our scores are both 0. The way scoring actually works, and you can look through the logic yourself, is if you make your bid, you get 10 plus whatever your bid was, unless you bid 0, in which case you only get 5. Obviously that didn't work out for either of us here, but that's how the program works. Thanks.